हेलो एवरीवन, मैं सेठ नारायण कुमार एंड यू आर वाचिंग MechTech Nexus। आज की वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले जरा इस वीडियो को गौर से देखें।
LAT Aerospace is just कि हम छोटे प्लेन बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं जो सिटी में कहीं से भी उड़ जाए, कहीं भी लैंड हो जाए।
20 मीटर में उड़ जाएंगे, लैंड कर जाएंगे, ताकि आपको एयरपोर्ट्स का इलेबोरेट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर नहीं चाहिए हो। नेवर बीन डन इन दिस वर्ल्ड। दिस इज रेडिकल इन टर्म्स ऑफ एविएशन।
तो दोस्तों, दीपिंदर गोयल जो कि जोमेटो के फाउंडर है, वो अब खुद के प्लेन बनाने के बारे में सोच रहे हैं। और जो आपने राज समानी और दीपिंदर गोयल के बीच हुई पॉडकास्ट में सुना है, वो इसी के कुछ टीजर्स हैं। Yes, today we will talk about LAT Aerospace, a deep tech venture with big dreams, big drama, and even bigger question about feasibility, credibility, and India's aviation system's future. So let's start the video. सबसे पहले समझते हैं कि लैट एरोस्पेस की जरूरत क्यों है, करेंट के क्या प्रॉब्लम्स है जिसे लैट एरोस्पेस रिजॉल्व करेगी और उसके क्या विजन्स हैं। LAT Aerospace was founded in January 25 by Deepinder Goyal and Surobhi, aiming to change how regional travels happen in India by using short takeoff and landing aircrafts that can operate from teeny stops rather than using a long runway. India की regional connectivity अभी भी outdated है, high cost and long travel times. Along with that, airport infrastructure is only focused and concentrated till city only. Then what about the smaller towns? Still stuck with trains, buses और लॉन्ग फ्लाइट्स। और यही लैट एरोस्पेस का विजन है। एयर ट्रैवल सिस्टम शुड फील लाइक अ बस, फ्रीक्वेंट, अफोर्डेबल एंड एवरीवेयर। कंपनी के कुछ की विजन पॉइंट्स हैं। STOL यानी कि शॉर्ट टेक ऑफ एंड लैंडिंग व्हीकल will be connecting Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. LAT Aerospace vehicles will use small air stops instead of long runways. They will use hybrid electric motors with autonomous system to increase efficiency. As Survi said, LAT is building a 50,000 square feet R&D headquarters in Gurgaon, building powertrain labs, HIL systems, and to push aerospace engineering forward. Let's deep dive into engineering of LAT Aerospace. We will discuss about the hybrid propulsion system and their engines. So what is the actual technology behind LAT's aircraft? पहला है hybrid electric propulsion system. LAT Aerospace is working on a hybrid electric aircraft, meaning batteries plus onboard power sources. This approach aims to reduce fuel use, emissions and operating costs versus traditional aircraft. दूसरा है in-house gas turbine engine development. Unlike most startups that sources engines from others, LAT is attempting to build its own gas turbine engines in Bangalore. Most aerospace majors spend billions on this, and here LAT is doing it from scratch. And that is controversial. Now here comes the critical moment. LAT Aerospace have done a flight test recently. LAT One V0.1 have done successfully short takeoff, but it crashed shortly after that, which was the main objective according to Deepinder Goyal. Deepinder Goyal ने कहा है कि STOL's main objective is achieved. Plane crashed, and we expected that due to structural issue. Our simulations had predicted it earlier, but did it crash on purpose? Now we will discuss what are the real obstacles of LAT Aerospace. And the first one is DGCA certification. Getting approval from India's aviation regulator, DGCA, is extremely hard, and safety standards are not negotiable. Any new propulsion tech, especially hybrid or custom engines, must undergo rigorous testing and certification before carrying passengers. This is one of the biggest hurdles. The second thing is regulatory and safety complexity. Aviation safety is the toughest frontier. Lilium, which is a ready-to-fly electric aviation, is still on the ground, and company got bankrupt just because its unique design deviated from traditional helicopter or propeller models, making it harder to meet strict EASA and FAA safety standards. Third one is technical competition. Globally, hybrid or eVTOL companies with billions in funding are still struggling too, like Lilium, Joby, Archer, and many missed deadlines respectively. चलिए सबसे बड़े क्वेश्चंस का जवाब देते हैं। क्या लैट एरोस्पेस रियल होंगी, एक रिवोल्यूशन होगा, या ये सिर्फ एक बड़ा हाइप है? आइए इसे समझते हैं। सपोर्टर्स कहते हैं कि इट्स विजनरी, इंडिया नीड्स इनोवेशंस विद आउटसाइड सॉफ्टवेयर स्टार्टअप, एंड लैट एरोस्पेस का विजन भी उससे लाइन करता है। लोकल एरोस्पेस R&D इज गुड फॉर द इकोसिस्टम, एंड क्रिटिक्स से बिल्डिंग सर्टिफाइड एयरक्राफ्ट इज डिकेड्स ऑफ वर्क. Engine development without aerospace pedigree is unrealistic. Building certified aircraft is decades of work, and billions of dollars is required for the prototype testing. So finally, LAT Aerospace is one of the most audacious bets in Indian aerospace, but bold doesn't always mean achievable. The team has passion, money, and vision, but aviation is unforgiving, worthy, or wishful. That's the debate. Comment below: is LAT Aerospace will change the Indian regional travel system, or it will be another failure like Lilium? Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned. We will bring the next video very soon on the same channel. So do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. Goodbye. Jai Hind.